Welcome to Leeds College, Peshawar. My name is Inayat Afridi and I'm a lecturer of English and Comparative Literature at Leeds College English Department. My today's lecture is about Etea MCQs, and in this special lecture I have selected an important MCQs related to conditional sentence, and from the conditional sentence I have taken an important case, that is conditional type 3 case. What is conditional type 3 case or conditional type 3 sentence? This sentence is a grammatical combination of two clauses. The first clause is called the conditional or F clause, contains the past perfect tense, and the second clause is the result clause, also called consequence clause. Let me get on MCQs number 1. MCQs number 1 right here is, if you had called me, helped you. Now if you check the sentence has two important clauses. Clause number 1, if you had called me. Now in this clause is called F clause because this clause is introduced by this F clause, also called conditional clause. But if you look at this clause, we have past perfect tense. Right here we have the past auxiliary verb had and called, had called. The if clause in this case contains the past perfect tense. Remember that if we have past perfect tense in the F clause, the result clause will be expressed in the modal auxiliary verb. Would have will be followed by third form of the verb. Right here we have option number this ones, would have helped you. So the complete sentence, if you had called me, I would have helped you. If clause, we have past perfect tense, had called, and the result clause contains would have helped you. I have listed the important clue for this MCQs. If we have two clauses, for example, if clause and result clause, but if the if clause contains the past perfect tense, mean had followed by third form of the verb, the result clause will have modal auxiliary verb. Would have will be followed by third form of the verb. To make this case clear, I have listed an example down. If you had asked a question, I would have given answer. If you look at this important case, we have if clause and it contains had asked. This is the had asked is the past perfect, and we have the modal auxiliary verb would have and followed by third form of the verb would have given. Had asked, would have given. For example, if I tell someone that if you had worked hard, you would have qualified your Etea test, or if you had texted me, I would have responded you. In all these cases, F clause contains the past perfect, and the result clause have taken the modal auxiliary verb would have followed by third form of the verb. Keep in touch with English. Have a nice time. Thank you very much for time.